Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about how to remove your Meta AI on your WhatsApp. So this is for your iPhone of course, and if you want your Meta AI gone from your WhatsApp, it's going to be there by default and you can't do anything about it. But if you really don't want it to just pop out of nowhere, you can actually message it right here and block it afterwards. So just message it right here, so it's gonna appear right here. So you can actually try to mute it right here or try to just delete the chat and then maybe just archive it. But sometimes all you can do is try to mute it and right here always. So I'm also annoyed when Meta AI just randomly pops up in my iPhone or in my messenger for other instances, since it's the same application or same parent company. So I would just delete the chat right there. So there's no way to block it actually, but I just keep it on mute because sometimes it just pops out making random messages. So I just try to ignore it at all because you can't really block it right here. And when you go to the contact info, you cannot block it, but you can only mute it right here. You can clear the chat, and that's all you can do basically, because Meta AI is now a part of the whole Meta actual universe, metaverse, if you would say. So the metaverse basically includes AI, and we are in an AI revolution, so we cannot really avoid this type of things. So if you're an iPhone user and you know you can't downgrade into a lower version of the application, basically, I just suggest you mute it right here. And maybe in the future times we will have options to block it. And there you go. That's how you remove your Meta AI on WhatsApp and your iPhone.